What up, YouTube? Rich the Return Rider coming to you today from Lake City, Florida. Coming to you from the garage, guys. Roll the intro and we'll see you on the other end.
Yeah, that's the feeling.
Been a while since I heard that flat six sing. Let the big iron settle down again. Got some highway rust here on my soul. Time to let that black top make me whole. Rich as a return rider, let the good times roll. Chasing after freedom down this never an asphalt road. Pointing this wing towards a distant horizon line. Yeah, this feeling's better than a bottle of aged wine. Yeah, better than a bottle of aged wine. Back in the saddle.
Alright, folks, so like I said, we're coming to you from the garage today, Lake City, Florida. No throttle therapy today, maybe physical therapy. Anyway, so yeah, folks, my name is Rich.
And I'm Lorna.
Name of the channel is Rich the Return Rider. For all you folks that's here for the first time, thanks for tuning in. For all you folks that's return viewers, appreciate you coming back. For all that subscribe to the channel, appreciate the support. For you folks that haven't yet subscribed, guys, it takes nothing off you to hit that subscribe button. Coming to you today, guys, with a different type of video. Now, we know Lorna here has been MIA for a couple of months. So we're gonna start this. First of all, man, let me give a shout out to my grandson there. We're proud of my grandson graduating from high school. So picture here of him and our daughters. So yeah, folks, okay, say congratulations to Jamarco. All right, folks, so let's get back to the video here. So yeah, Lorna, folks has been inquiring minds been wondering, where have you been?
So Wednesday that just went by, we made 6 weeks that I had a right hip replacement. That was interesting. So
yeah, folks, you know, we're doing this video, guys, for kind of a multi-purpose thing, as you can see from the title there, guys. You know, the thing about it is Lorna's surgery here was a big concern. We was really worried about it, man. We didn't know what to expect. And these surgeries today, guys, these replacement surgeries is not your father's surgeries from the previous generations. So what Lorna thought was a bum knee for years, as I watched her going through all this excruciating pain and so forth, turned out to be a pretty bum hip.
really messed up.
You want to tell them a little bit more about this? This is your procedure.
Okay, so me, myself, I never had any kind of surgery in my life. And I thought was a right knee injury. And it turned out to be my right hip that was just crunched. It was just gone. I had arthritis, cysts, thank you. I had arthritis, cysts, osteoarthritis. I had all kinds of stuff going on. You name it, I had it in this right hip. And, you know, for about over 5 years, I've been going through so much pain, and the doctor could not understand how to move it around with this right hip.
So yeah, guys, we're not gonna make this video too long. We are looking at a 90-degree day here in Florida. This is our second or third attempt to do this video, but the fan noise in the back has been exceptionally loud. So we turned the fans on so we can get this video going, and we want this video to get out there to some of the folks. We always say that if our video can help at least one person out there, then the message will not be in vain. We know the Goldwing community is an aging community, guys, and it's a lot of you folks out there that have had these procedures. And one of the things that we started talking about with these procedures is Lorna's ability to still ride on tools.
That's not gonna happen.
Yeah, we came to the conclusion that we don't think that that's a good idea, guys. There's always that possibility of you being able to slip out there, gravel, or whatever the situation is. We're not gonna take that chance. So what came up, guys, was talking about having a trike. Now, Lorna and I both have looked at trikes before in the past. Lorna was in love with these things when we saw them in Ocala, especially that Honda Goldwing trike. It was in white, it was trimmed. I've seen some beautiful trikes out there, man. I saw pictures of course, I've never met him in person, but I've seen pictures of the Godfather, what do you call it? The Godfather Goldwing's trike. That thing is decked out. I see also Sensei has bought his wife one. But yeah, man, those things are kind of pricey. And I gotta tell you, Lorna is not really much of an outdoors kind of person.
I'm really not. You see me fanning all these flies around me. I'm really not.
Yeah, so the question becomes, is it worth investing in these trikes? I can't envision the transition from 2 wheels to 3 wheels. So that is going to be...
But there's not going to be a transition because Ruby is part of the family.
Okay, so the deal is, guys, that I was curious as to who this trike was for. If I'm going to be riding the trike and she's going to be the passenger, or is it going to be her trike? I can't say I have no desire to ride a trike because I've never rode one. You know, you folks out there, man, that have gone from 2 wheels to 3 wheels, talk about it. I have my buddy Dave there in Ocala. I see him and his wife is enjoying the trike lifestyle. But guys, I kind of like leaning, going through the mountains. I like my braking and my performance of these things. You guys know I'm a performance guy when it comes to the Goldwing here. But yeah, man. But you know, leave it in the comment section, guys. What do you guys think, man? Trike, I could see us in the mountains and maybe, but like I said, Lorna does not get outdoor often enough. But still, the consideration is there. You know, I've watched her go through this procedure. Kept telling her how proud I am of her. You know, the girls, my daughters, Janelle, Janaya, grandson Jamarco has been awesome in her recovery. Lorna had the surgery. It was an in and out surgery. The same day she had the surgery, physical therapy came, had her on the, got her out of bed, had her on a walker. And Lorna has gone from the walker. You can see pictures of us here, guys. We kind of did a reenactment as we went to her, not your physical therapy, but your appointment.
My poster.
Her orthopedic doctor's appointment. You can see her here walking. We kind of reenact her getting out the car with the walker the first time and the cane the next time. And as you can see her here coming over to the garage here. And she is just
loving it. 6 weeks. I'm telling you. Don't procrastinate on it. My sister-in-law, she had it done in January and she was in the gym in March. Do not hesitate, but do your due diligence of looking for the providers, for the doctors that have the credentials, the right credentials, how many surgeries they have done, how often have they done this procedure, right? And again, I waited for so long. Well, I really didn't know until I believe it was April that it was my right hip. I always thought it was my knee. I had injections. I had all kinds of things going on. But when I found out it was my hip, my sister-in-law, she encouraged me, go get it done. And I have not regretted it. Right? I have been on Tramadol maybe for a week, which is a pain killer. I then went to Tylenol, got off the Tylenol. So right now I am loving life.
Guys, I'm telling you, I watch her in severe pain. We did a trip to New Orleans a little while back. We did it with our family members, and what she's talking about there is her sister-in-law Lisa. We did quite a bit of walking, and we can watch both of them in pain. Her sister-in-law came back, had the procedure done, and she's been a coach. Thank you, Lisa.
Thank you.
Special shout out to Lisa.
For sure.
Coach her through this whole procedure. And what we're doing this video, man, is whether it is a hip, a shoulder. Now, I'm struggling with a shoulder for the last 20 plus years here. They've been talking about a replacement for a while back now, guys, but as long as I could do certain activities, I've kind of been putting it off. But again, you know, the hip, the knees, the back. I've got a brother-in-law, man. I'm going to call him the Bionic Man. That's going to be my... This guy have had a back surgery. He's had knee surgeries. We found out he even had a hip. And the one thing that he's hesitating to do is to get the shoulder done. Now, he's a physical therapy, and he sees some of the complications with the shoulder. So if any of you folks out there got any information on shoulder replacement or anything like that, again, leave it in the comment section. But again, we're doing this video, man, because we know the Goldwing community out there, guys, a lot of you folks are hesitating to do these procedures. And I gotta tell you, man, it's amazing.
It is.
2 months.
Definitely.
Like I said, she's been walking in and out surgery, a hip replacement, folks. So yeah, man. So we wanna get that information out there, let you know what Lorna's been up to, what she's been doing.
You'll see me more often now.
Yeah, I don't know, because you're not gonna be on the bike.
Well, I could be in the garage, not with these mosquitoes.
This is not Rich's garage, man. I'm usually out trying to get some throttle therapy in. But anyway, folks, so yeah, Trike, tell me what you think about it. You know, so is it time for a Trike or
no? Ruby stays.
Ruby's not going anywhere, no doubt. You know. But anyway, folks, anything else you want to say to him, Lorna?
Not at all. I'm coming back to you guys. Thank you for your well wishes. I appreciate everybody out there.
Alright guys, now you guys know how I like to end my videos, guys. Don't care what you ride, add some protection to your motorcycle. Get in the parking lot, man. Do the advanced safety classes. The experts claim the one tool we should have in our toolbox to help keep us safe out there on the streets, guys, is emergency braking and swerving. At the end of the day, it's better that you drop your bike on the concourse or in the parking lot than to crash them out there in the streets. Rich
And Lorna with the mosquitoes. Out.
Yeah, out. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, man. Rich the return ride up on the scene. New chapter unfold, the road stay clean. Me and the Goldwing, you know we a glide. Big chrome machine, good vibration inside. Every mile a journey, every sunrise a prize. So come ride with it and watch the adventure rise. Yeah, man.